Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is on this DIY ripped boyfriend jean. I got this pair of pants from Toy Market a few months ago and I was hoping it was going to be nice and fitting, but eventually it ended up stretching up, becoming loose and baggy. So I'm going to transform it from this ugliness to this cute ripped boyfriend jean. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So to start off, you'll need a pair of denim, of course, a pair of scissors, tweezers, and a pen for marking. We'll start off by marking the parts where I'll make the rips. So on my knee, on my thigh, and near my pocket. And if you're not sure about where to put the markings, you can always put on the pants first, mark, and then rip it afterwards. But as for me, I can just eyeball it and I'll be okay with it. I then go ahead and make my cuts like so. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how my rippings look like so far. And then, just when I thought that my video was all good and succeeding, I realized that I was out of frame. Damn it. I'm sorry guys, but basically what I was doing was pulling out threads to make my cuts have a raggedy type of look. Yeah. And so this is the result, just the way I like it. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. And so up until the next video, bye bye.